Hey everyone, my name is Kayla Green. I am the sales marketer for United Water Restoration Group of Colorado Springs, and I'm here to tell you more into detail about the networking tip of the week. Be present. This one I am so passionate about for so many reasons. Being present shows that you are actually actively listening to the person that you're talking to. It shows that you actually have your full attention on them and that you're not looking around in space, playing on your phone, texting someone, calling someone, or even eating food. It's distracting, and then it makes the person feel like you don't care. Being present boosts your mindfulness and actually improves your memory by being actively listening. Also, it increases your focus too as well. So I'm gonna go into a little skit on showing you the do's and don'ts of being present. These are the things you don't do while networking. Don't be on your phone when you're talking to someone. Hey Kayla, how are you? Yeah, I'm great, thanks for asking. Good, I'm glad you're great, that's great. How's business going for you? Yeah, no, business is good. Awesome, getting those crazy jobs in? Yeah, I bet. Oh, yeah, no, we're getting a lot of good jobs. Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah. Don't stop mid-conversation to talk to your neighbor. That's so great, Kayla. I am so glad you're getting so many jobs. Business being busy is great. It's always better to be busy than not busy. Yeah, no, business being busy is great. It's always better to be busy. Yeah, no, I totally agree. Oh, Kayla, hey, how you doing? Yeah, no, I'm doing great. No, I'm not busy or anything. Yeah. We were talking. How's work going? Great, I'm so glad. Don't have gum, candy, or food in your mouth when you're talking to someone unless you're at a lunch. Hey, Kayla, how's business going? Hey, how's it going? Yeah, no, I'm really good. Don't cry. Good, I'm glad. Yeah, no, business has been good. Oh, how are you? Yeah, no, business has been great. Thanks for asking. That's awesome. Wow, now those don'ts were a mess. So these are the do's of networking. Do, pay attention, eye contact. Hey, Kayla, how are you? Hey, Susan. I'm great, thanks. How are you? Great, I'm good too. Thank you so much for asking. How's business going? Yeah, no, business is great. We are so busy. Like, haven't turned people away, we're that busy. Good, I'm so glad that business is going great for you. Busy is always the best. It's better to be busy than slow. Do finish your conversation first before moving on to the next one. Hey, Kayla, how are you? Hey, Susan. Yeah, no, I'm doing really good. Hey, Kayla, how are you? Hey, I'm actually almost done with this conversation. If you could just give me like 2 seconds, I will be right with you. Yeah, no, it'll be 1 second, I promise. We are almost done. Yeah, no, business is great. Thank you so much for asking. I really appreciate it. Well, it was great to see you again. I will talk to you soon. Do make sure that you spit out all your gum, the food, and candy in your mouth before you start a conversation with someone. Hey, Kayla, how are you? Great, now you guys made it past the networking event, and you guys did a great job. Now it's time for the do's and don'ts of a one-on-one. Don't answer a phone call when you're on a one-on-one unless it's an emergency. Yeah, I'm so glad we could do this. Yeah, absolutely. I'm so glad we could do this one-on-one. Yeah, it's been great getting to know you and stuff too as well. Hey, Susie. How's it going? Yeah, no. I'm not busy. Oh, yeah, I can meet up in about 5 minutes. What do you mean you can go in 5? We're hanging out. What do you... Cool. See you later. Bye. All right. Have a good day. It was nice meeting you. Don't open a bag of food and obnoxiously chew it or eat food at all when you're having a one-on-one unless you've met for lunch. Yeah, no. How's business going? Great, I'm glad. Yeah, no. Hey, dog. No. Yeah. Hello. No. Business has been, I'm good, thank you. Don't forget to shake their hand and remember their name when you're doing a one-on-one. Hey, Kayla, how are ya? Doing? Good. Go ahead and take a seat. Perfect. How are things going with ya? Wow, that was horrendous. Did you see the part where she chewed with her mouth open during the Doritos? Ew. Here are the do's of a one-on-one. Do make sure you only answer your phone if it's an emergency. We understand, only if it's an emergency. Don't answer your best friend unless she texts urgent. Hey, yeah, no, I hope business is well. Hey, yeah, no, I'm so glad business is great. Thank you for asking. Yeah, no, I'm so glad we could finally do this. It makes me so happy. Yeah, no, I'm so happy we could have this one-on-one. It's been wonderful. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is a family emergency. Do you mind if I answer this? Yeah, no, go ahead. I promise it'll be super quick. Hey, sweetie, is everything okay? No, I'm in a work meeting. Is this an emergency? No? Okay, well then can I call you after? Perfect. Love you too. Bye. Do make sure that if you're not at a restaurant, put all food away that you are currently consuming until after the meeting. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I interrupt with something? Oh, sorry. It's so nice to see you. Let me just put this away real quick. I was eating some lunch. Just give me 1 second. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, how is business going? Yeah, business is going great. Thanks for asking. Do, and this one's the most important, shake their hand and remember their name. Hey, Kayla, how are ya? Hey, Susan, how are you? It's so nice to see you. Please have a seat. So, how's business going? Yeah, no, business is great. Thanks so much for having me and thanks for meeting with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And I also hope you guys enjoyed the Power Connectors networking event on the 27th. I will see you next week.